The high lift by Precise is available as a 3-bin, 4-bin, or 5-bin length machine. The machine has the ability to lay within 3 inches of the ground and also rise up to 40 inches above it, giving the user the ability to reach 12 feet into the air when standing on the top step. The high lift can be used as just a standard bin hauler, or it can be used as a harvesting aid. It can also be used to do trellis work, hand thinning, tying bamboo, and many other different tasks. The high lift is set up to work in 12-foot, 11-foot, and 10-foot rows with the ability to be upgraded to work in 13 and 14-foot rows with added platform extensions. The railings are adjustable both in height and in width. The option for a bar to hook a fall harness onto is also available. This added feature allows for there to be no railings on the machine, which eliminates the risk of them hitting the tree or the fruit. A picking bag holder is also available, which allows relief from holding the picking bag.